Hey guys, I have some good news to tell you today.
Oh, what's that, Dad? I can't wait to hear from you.
Yeah, please tell us, what good news?
Yeah, what's the good news? Please tell me, please tell me.
Okay, you guys know you are like the biggest in the house. We have so many dinosaurs. We have the shelf over there, we have another shelf over here, and you guys are probably like the giants in the house, but there are only 3 of you. And I've thought I want to bring you guys another friend.
Wow, it sounds good.
Yeah, who's that? Who's that?
Yeah, who's that? Okay, I am bringing in the new Indominus Rex, the Super Colossal Indominus Rex.
Wow, that's really exciting. Can't wait to meet her.
Hello all dinosaurs! I'm Dan and today I'm super excited because we have the brand new Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous Super Colossal Indominus Rex to unbox and review, so let's get right into it. We're gonna do a comparison with the Super Colossal Blue T-Rex and the Legacy Collection Brachiosaurus. Okay, first let's take a look. It has a beautiful Jurassic World logo right over here, Camp Cretaceous here as well. As you can see, there's some new cartoon characters from Camp Cretaceous, and Camp Cretaceous will be coming up on Netflix this month, and I'm really excited. Can't wait to look at it. Okay, can't wait to watch it. Okay, so right at the back you can see Indominus Rex gigantic bike, and of course you can place in different minifigures, and right over here you can see some other dinosaurs. So yes, let's open this up with a box cutter. Alright, I'm gonna cut this box open, different areas of it. Here, I'm gonna cut this loose as well. Okay, I'm not going to really keep this box, so it's okay for me to like slightly damage this, so it's fine for me. Okay, as you guys can see, we are ready to get the Indominus Rex out. I'm gonna use a pair of scissors to release it from all these strings. And yes, really excited. Okay, and it's time for us to open this portion because the tail is hidden right inside. Okay, check this out guys. So the body is right over here, and with the tail, so you have to assemble every single piece yourself, which is really good. This is going to be fun. And yes, we need to release the Indominus Rex right over here. Okay, so we have the body. Okay, and this is the right hind leg, the tail. This is a little box. There's one more leg. It's right over here. Okay, so these are the different pieces. So let's open all of them up. Okay, just want to show you guys every single step that we have to do to assemble the Indominus Rex. So this is the big tail right over here, and this is the leg. Okay, let's get it out. Sorry, this is a bit messy. I just can't wait to get it out, so I'm not really opening the pack in the right way. Okay, let's open this up because the tape is really strong, so it's actually easier for me to just rip it open. Okay, there you go. So we have the tail, the body, and it's time for us to assemble it. Wait a minute. Alright. So which one should we assemble first? Let's go with the legs first, okay? So here's the body, and here's the leg. As you can see, all you need to do is to fit in. There's some string over here, so you have to make sure you move it nicely. So this leg has to go in right over here. Let's see. Okay, just gonna adjust the camera so that you guys are able to see how I assemble it. So basically we just fit in. Okay, it's not as easy as it seems. You're gonna use in plenty of strength. Just press it right down. Oh, there you go. That was easy. I've thought you need to assemble it with plenty of strength, but apparently not. Seems pretty easy. Okay, and here is the other leg. Okay, it doesn't seem to fit in that easily. Oh, there you go. So you need to find the right positioning. And now for the finer part. Let's see whether the Indominus Rex is able to stand. Here's the tail. You need to find, like, you know, the right slot. As you can see, there are two different openings, so you need to find the right position. Wait a minute. Okay. I think there you go. Okay. And you can hear a very nice snapping sound. And yes, the Indominus Rex is assembled. Very, very nice. Alright, let's take a good look at this beauty. As you guys can see, this is the head. You can actually open and close, you can throw in some minifigures into its body. And maybe one day we're gonna do a comparison to see how many minifigures the Indominus Rex can eat versus the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, so here's the head, beautifully crafted. You can open and close the jaw. The teeth are very soft, so it's very, very safe. Plenty of detailing. Oh, you can see this portion right here is actually concave. And here's some really, really cool feathers, or rather spikes of the Indominus Rex. The body looks amazing. Is there like a code for you guys to scan? No, there isn't. Alright, and let's take a look at a huge body. Wow, looks brilliant. You guys able to see the entire length of this Indominus Rex? It looks so cool. Okay, so you can place in different minifigures, you know, into its throat, mouth, all the way down to its body. And if you take a look right over here, there is an opening, and this opening is definitely smaller than that of the T-Rex. Okay, are you guys able to see it? Let's zoom in. So basically, you can just retrieve all your different minifigures from this little compartment. Yeah, let's take a look through. You can see, yeah, it looks awesome. Okay, so let's take a look at the tail. Okay, as you guys can see, there are plenty of spikes. This spikes on the body, it feels harder. Okay, it feels harder than those rubbery spikes. And this tail right here, let's zoom out, consists of two different portions. And this portion right here is rotatable. Wow, it's really, really nice. And let's take a look at the feet. And these feet, they're pretty amazing. You know, huge toe claws right over here, painted with glossy shine. And this portion right here, it feels very bird-like, like that of an ostrich. Okay, let's take a look at the arms. Really, really long fingernails. I think you need to do some manicure in Indominus Rex. And yeah, basically this is the Indominus Rex. And next, I want to do a size comparison with the rest. So just give me one moment. Okay guys, so we are going to do a size comparison. You know, please ignore the mess over there, alright? So this is the Brachiosaurus, as you guys can see. Let's take a look at the Indominus Rex first. So this is the Indominus Rex. From my angle, it seems like, you know, we're starting from right at the same point over here. But if you take a look at the tail, and you do a comparison right over here, the T-Rex is definitely the longest. Yeah, let's do a comparison right here. Top view. Yeah, this is the wire of my headphones. You can see the tail of the Tyrannosaurus Rex is just slightly longer. Yeah, there you go. Yep, so in terms of the length, seems like the Indominus Rex is slightly shorter than the T-Rex. Let's do a comparison with Blue. Blue, it's pretty much the same length, same length as the T-Rex. But if you take a look, there's a bend over here. So if you straighten the leg, if you straighten the tail, it might probably be the longest of all the super colossal dinosaurs. And here's the Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus is definitely the longest, 100%. If you move the neck, if you stretch it all the way, it's definitely the longest. Yeah. So let's do a comparison in terms of the width of the body, okay? So this is the Brachiosaurus, Blue, T-Rex, and the Indominus Rex. All four of them looks pretty much the same in terms of width, but I would say the Brachiosaurus ages out just a little bit in terms of the width. Yeah. And let's do a comparison of the head. Okay, Indominus Rex looks much bigger in terms of head size. As you can see, the T-Rex is actually the smallest. Yes. Oh, are you okay, Blue? Blue just taken a fall. Yes. So in terms of the head width, 100% is the Indominus Rex. It's really, you know, wide and big, much bigger than that of the T-Rex. Okay, what's next? Let's do a comparison of the feet. Alright, the feet of the Indominus Rex versus the feet of the T-Rex. 100% is the Indominus Rex once again. Way bigger, the toes. Pretty much the same. Yeah, it's actually much longer. As you can see, the middle toe, it's actually very long. It's compared to the T-Rex or Blue. Yeah, so I'd say the Indominus Rex, you know, wins in terms of the width, the legs, the arms. What about the arms? Blue has pretty long arms. You can't compare it with T-Rex. It has very short arms. Yep, in terms of the arms, the fingers, definitely Blue has bigger fingers. But in terms of the length, wow, it's really hard to tell. Yeah, I'll leave it to you guys, but seems like Blue has longer arms. Yep, that's right. Alright, so this is the new Super Colossal Indominus Rex. Really nice. Finally, we have another addition to the gigantic family. Yep, and yes, hope that you guys enjoyed this review. And in our next few videos, we're gonna do you know, more videos with the Super Colossal Indominus Rex, so stay tuned. And yes, I'll see you guys really soon. Goodbye.